Sirens going off. By the way, to all my viewers that seen this video, I made a video last time of these sirens going off in St. Louis City. I had made a new account because I got a new phone and everything, but I'm put my other videos from last time from recording these sirens and edit it. Put the sentences in the description because I recorded these sirens last year in June. I don't remember what date it was, but it was June something in 2025. So yeah, I'm recording this again. I just like the sound of these sirens, these wailing sirens. It kind of sound quiet a little bit. Why they sound so quiet? I could have sworn they was a little louder last time. It is what it is. They going off. Alright, there it is. Let's see if they do the voice. There it is. Yes, sir. It's only a test. You heard him. Boom.